Meaning of ExxonMobil.
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 ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil is a multinational oil and gas corporation headquartered in the United States. It is one of the largest publicly traded companies in the world, with operations in over 50 countries. The company's main activities include exploring for, producing, transporting and selling crude oil and natural gas. ExxonMobil also produces a range of chemicals used in various industries, such as plastics and transportation fuels. The company has faced criticism in recent years for its role in contributing to climate change and for its alleged attempts to mislead the public about the risks of fossil fuels.